now we come to the very interesting, right now we come to the very interesting part where the road to crypto millionaire by 2025. Why? As you know, the next halving, if you're familiar with the cryptocurrency space, that the next Bitcoin halving is going to be on March 2024. And from the previous halving, right, the Bitcoin price from $18,000 went up to $67,000, all-time high. So the next halving going to on March 2024, after the next halving, the Bitcoin price is going to shoot to $250,000. Now the question is, by 2025, how many Bitcoin you're going to accumulate as your digital asset? How to accumulate at least 4 Bitcoin by 2025? At least you become a millionaire in US dollar. Let me show, by using the Ricabot trading platform, you too can become millionaire by 2024. Now, here in Ricabot, to initiate your AI plus EA smart trading system, you can start with $20 per month or 100 USDT for 6 months to initiate your robot. Then the total profit when the robot made from your tradable fund, 70% will go into your to the client and 30% to Ricabot as a reward and incentive allocation. Meaning to say, from the 30% the company earned, 80% will be payback to the community as their reward and incentive. Example, after making profit on each trade, the system deduct 30% from the gas fee as an incentive. Example, in your exchange Binance, make profit of USD $100, and they will deduct $30 from your gas fees. Now, how it's work? Now, let me show you. Let's say your tradable fund in your Binance account is $1,000. Then you need to top up a minimum top up of 10%, which is 100 USDT into your Ricabot account as the gas fees. Why? Because when Ricabot made profit, 100% of your profit will be credited into your Binance account. That means third party are not allowed to disturb your Binance account. So how you're going to pay the 30% portion to the company is from these gas fees. Example, when the gas fees, when you create the API port, when the robot make profit, when the gas fees is below $15 from your minimum top-up amount, then a top-up notification will be sent to your mailbox. And if your gas fees is balanced zero, then all trading operation will be automatically stopped. That means, as an investor, if you just want to focus on other business, just become an investor, then what you need to do, you just need to take care of your gas fees. Now, let me show you. In this whiteboard, I'm going to show you an example how it's connected. On my left, there's a Binance. On my right is Ricabot AI plus EA. Now, first of all, you need to go to your Binance API management. You need to create the API key and secret key, and you copy and paste in your Ricabot account. It's all can be done within 1 minute. Let's say your tradable fund is $1,000. Then you need to deposit 1,201 USDT in your Binance account. Then 201 USDT you transfer to Ricabot wallet. $1 is the transfer fees, which is TRC20. Then from this 200 USDT, the subscription fees is 100 USDT for 6 months. Then another 100 USDT as your gas fees. Now, let's say on that particular month, Ricabot made 30% profit, which is $300. $1,300 will credit it into your account. That means $1,300 will credit it into your Binance account. So the 30% from the 300, which is $90, will deduct it from your gas fees. Now, the $100 the subscription fees plus the $90 the gas fees is the profit sharing 80% payout to the community, to the people who are building the business. Now, let me show you. This is the subscription and community reward. Now, here we have 6 ranks starting from R1. Now, all the client who registered, activate your robot and top up your gas fees, you automatically become R1. As an R1 client, when you introduce one client, you will earn 20% overriding from the subscription fees, which is when your client pay $100, you will earn $20, and another 20% overriding from the community reward. Meaning to say, if your client paid $90 gas fees for that particular month, so you will override 20% from the $90, which is 18 USDT. Now, the next rank is R2. To qualify as an R2 client, you need to introduce 3 clients, and all these 3 clients must qualify as an R1, and your total community member from all these 3 clients, you need 20 active client. What they mean by active client? Meaning this client must subscribe for their subscription fees, plus they need to top up their gas fees, consider their active client. Now, as an R2 client, you'll override 30% from the subscription fees and another 30% from the community reward fees. Now, the next rank is R3. In order to qualify as a R3 client, you need to introduce 5 clients to RicaBot. And out of the 5 clients, 3 clients from 3 different groups must qualify as a R2. On top of that, you need to have 100 community clients in your network, active community client in your network. As a R3 client, you will override 40% from the subscription fees and 40% from the community reward. Now, on top of that, if let's say you introduce me, both of us qualified as a R3, that means you cannot override anything. We are same level. So when you have the same rank client, then you will earn an additional 5% from my total group volume as a matching bonus. Now, the next rank is R4. As an R4 client, you need to introduce 8 clients. Out of the 8 clients, you need to have 3 different group client qualify as a R3. Plus, you need to have total 300 active clients in your network. Then as an R4 client, you will override 50% from the subscription fees and another 50% from the community reward fees. Now, the next rank is R5. In order to qualify as an R5, you need to introduce 12 clients, and out of the 12 clients, 3 clients from 3 different groups must qualify as an R4, direct or indirect, plus your total community client, you need 800 active clients. Now, as an R5 client, you will override 60% from the subscription fees and 60% from the community reward fees. Now, the highest rank is R6. To qualify as an R6 client, you need to introduce 20 clients. Out of the 20 clients, 3 clients from 3 different groups must qualify as an R5 clients. Plus your total group, you need 1,500 active clients. So once you qualify as an R6, you'll earn 70% overriding from the subscription fees and another 70% from your community reward fees. Now, on top of that, as an R6 client, you also enjoy 10% of the global community bonus pool. Okay, friend, this is purely a reward program. Okay, I don't call anybody member. You're not paying any membership. You're using RicaBot services. For the services, they reward you up to 80% as the reward already to all the clients who are actively build your client database. Right? Now, how they pay the global community bonus pool. An example, that particular month, RicaBot total collection on gas fees is $100,000. So times 10% will allocate, which is $10,000 will go into the bonus pool. And suppose his accumulated dividend for a month is $10,000. By end of the month, let's say there are 3 client qualifiers R6 for that particular month. That means the $10,000 will distribute equally to all the 6 clients who qualify as R6. So that is the profit sharing. Now, I'm going to show you the ranking potential income based on your commitment building your database. Example, as an R3 client, your potential income per day is $50 to $100. As an R4 client, your potential income is $500 to $1,000 a day. As an R5 client, your potential income per day is about $1,000 to $4,000 a day. And as an R6 client, your potential income per day is about $5,000 to $10,000 a day. Friend, you know crypto is 24/7, 365 days in a year. Let's say you earn $5,000 a day, your per month income is $150,000. For 12 months, your potential income is about $1.8 million. In next 3 years, you have potential income to earn $5.4 million. If you ask me, is it possible? Friend, it's possible. Why? If the founder of Binance in 4 years, if he can earn about 300 million a day, why not? By leveraging Binance, which is one of the largest exchanges, with this Ricabot, one of the very powerful trading robot, for us to earn that $5,000. So in 3 years, you're going to earn about $5.4 million. Choice is yours, how many digital asset you want to accumulate yourself. So that's the power of Ricabot. Now, before I end my session, I'm going to show you some of the trading profit from Ricabot from 1st October until 5th October in the form of video.
Nuts when the bass go boom, 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 oh my God.
Right. Okay, friends. So I'm going to show you another client of Ricabot, one of the very early client of Ricabot, where he converted to BTC, which is 100,000 USDT in a month of April. Then is the total earning up to 1st October is about $58,904. And October is where the bull run start to in the crypto market. So on the day, he earned about $3,700. Then on the 2nd October, his profit is about $4,483. Then on 3rd, 4th, 5th, the market is slow. Then again on the 6th, he made about another $3,150. Then in a month of 7th October, that is morning 10 a.m. when most of us, people wake up and go to work, this guy already made $1,448. Then by the time midnight, before you go to sleep at 9:22 p.m., he made another $1,500, total about $2,931 on that day alone. Then on the 9th of October, highest profit per day is about $5,182. And his total accumulated income up to 9th October is about $86,698. And today, his account already crossed $100,000 in just 6 months. It's already double up his digital asset. Okay, friends, I'm sharing this slide. It's not to create any hype to convince you, no. Right? I'm just sharing the result produced by Ricabot. But one thing you need to understand, right? This AI plus Ricabot trading platform is a zero risk. Okay, for the zero risk investment, same like a bank. You deposit your money in FD, the most you can earn, let's say in India for senior citizen, you're getting about 9%. In Malaysia, you're getting about 3%. Even in Singapore, it's less than 1%. But Binance is also as safe as bank. and you just move your fund from your bank from the fiat account currency into digital asset and let it bind with Recarbot. Just leave it there for 1 year. Even if you can give a profit of 5% a month, my dear friend, 12 months you have about 60%, which I believe one of the highest revenue return of investment for zero risk investment, right? You know that crypto market is like very volatile. Okay, if you look into the last 5 years trading history of crypto market, 6 months is the bear market, 6 months is the bullish market. So let's say during this bullish market, they make about 5% a month. So in 6 months, it's about 30%. And during this bull market, let's say Recarbot make 10%. So in 6 months, it's a total up about 90%. We slash another 40%. Let's say you earn 50% annually without doing anything. You just put in the EA, definitely, I believe that the return of investment 50% with zero risk is one of the highest currently in the market compared to any other investment. Why? The risk is when you park your money into the third-party wallet. But here, the money is going to be in your own wallet with a zero risk. If you can earn 50% per annum, I believe that this is one of the highest return of investment, right? So of course, this guy is not only play in EA, he also trade on ATM mode. So if you well versed on ATM mode as well, you know which are the coin, you have a very good signal, you just can trade. So that's how he, within 6 months, he able to double up 50% of his digital asset, tradable fund, he put in the EA, and another 50% he put it in ATM. That's how he generated this kind of result or return of investment, almost double up, right? So as you know, Recarbot is already expanded to more than 30 countries, and most of the countries all are client. But building the network right now is only happening in Malaysia, Indonesia, Nigeria, Bangladesh, and now India has started. And if you are from India, friend, you need to do a lot of homework, find out that today India is the second largest crypto players right now in the market with 100 million crypto players now in India. That means 10% of the India population involved in crypto. Even you talk about 0.1% is in your database, your potential income per day is not less than $5,000. Now, before I end my session, I like to share, this is my personal quote, is that sometimes people ask me, Murthy, what is the biggest risk in this industry? Friend, the biggest risk in the cryptocurrency trend is the risk of being left behind. Why? If you look into YouTube, out of the 10 advertisements, 9 advertisements talking about cryptocurrency. So if you don't get involved today in cryptocurrency, it's not you, friend, your next generation going to miss the boat. Why? Every decade, there's one opportunity created. So the last opportunity was the internet revolution. And I'm sure most of us already missed that. But those people grab today, they are billionaires. But now the cryptocurrency industry is happening, right now at a very infant stage. Just imagine when the cryptocurrency market cap today is 2.7 trillion, when it's reached 5 trillion, 10 trillion, 15 trillion. What will be your asset kind of you can accumulate? Your today's whatever alternate coin or Bitcoin that you own today, when the market cap reach 10 trillion, what will be the value? So this is an opportunity, right, friend? So come on board, let's work together. Definitely, I believe here to support everyone, we are doing a Zoom session for our team. I'm doing every Wednesday in Tamil, Saturday in Tamil, and every Sunday in English. And after Deepavali, second week of November, I'm going to conduct another day for class training on how to trade on ATM with one of our support from our team leader, right? So with that, thank you so much. And you have any questions, then you can unmute yourself.